Welcome back to another episode, you beautiful motherfuckers. Today we're making this beautiful, delicious, healthy, nutritious snack, Bison Jerky. It's the same way you do beef jerky, but it's bison, so it's better. We're going to take a bison eye around roast. It's a beautiful thing, no fat on this thing. Look at this thing. See, notice which way the grain's going? It's going to be very important when you cut in jerky to follow the grains. And we're going to cut this into about 1-inch thick chunks. Pay attention to the grain. See which way the grain's running up and down now? It's going to come back later. We're going to cut this into some strips. It's going to be very easy to tear, nice, easy to chew. Oh no, jerky, it's fantastic. If you never had bison before, you got to get your shit together. Bison's fantastic. It's like the Cadillac of meats. It's like beef, but better somehow. So notice the way I'm cutting it. I said, see the grains run up and down. It's going to make for a really fantastic piece of jerky. I've never cut it this way before. I've seen the bearded butcher guys do it that way, and they got dope beards, so they obviously know what they're talking about. See? Look at the grain. It's a beautiful, beautiful, delicious meat. Now you finish chopping all this shit up, and then after that, we're going to get on to making some marinade. Just enjoy the cutting. By the way, the knife is a Benchmade meat crafter. It's such a beautiful knife. Holds an edge great. I'm a Benchmade fanboy. I don't care. Now we're on to our marinade. We got 4 cloves of garlic, 1 chipotle pepper, 2 big scotch bonnet peppers, a little bit of sweet soy sauce, some soy. I'm going to put quite a bit of soy sauce in there, some black pepper. 6 ingredients, all you need. I'm going to throw this in a little mason jar, hit it with the immersion blender, get everything nice into a nice puree. It's going to make a really good marinade. Yeah, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 hot peppers. It's going to be spicy and garlicky. Don't be a pussy, okay? It's delicious. Spice is fine. There's a little bit of sweet soy sauce in there. It's very little. I don't like my meat sweet. I like it smoky, garlicky, and peppery. It's more just to kind of help everything glaze on. Look in there. Now you get in there nice and dirty. Get it mixing it. There's the sound of love right there. Make sure rub it in all your meat. Don't let any parts of the meat go unmarinated. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. It's going to be some fantastic jerky, guys. Trust me. Can't go wrong. You do bison or beef, this is the best. The greatest snack. You put it in the dehydrator. It's going to take us about 4 hours. It's going to be so fucking good. Now it's done, we're going to throw in a Ziploc bag. You want to marinate this anywhere from 4 hours to a day. So obviously, the longer you marinate it, the better. Leave a bit of room. You'll be able to move your meat around. All right, pull the meat out of the fridge. Get our racks. We're using a Ninja 10-in-1 air fryer. I've made jerky thing a bunch of times. It's fucking fantastic. So we get all our meat out. We're going to speed this up a bit because this is a slow process. Take your time. You want to leave a little bit of room. You don't really want the meat to be touching each other. There might be a little overlap here, but try not to, the best you can. And we're going to throw this in our air fryer. I set it for 5 hours, but I think it ended up only being 4 hours. Boom, final product. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. It's so delicious. Like I said, 6 ingredients. You can't go wrong. No sugar, none of that garbage. Just nice, garlicky, smoky. This stuff is fantastic. Anyone I've given some to, they love it. Let's get them all on just put them on display. Make it look all nice and pretty. There's one trick you want to do after you make jerky though. You want to throw it in a Ziploc bag for like 15 minutes to kind of let it, while it's still warm, it helps soften it up a little bit so it's not too dry, too chewy. It brings a little bit of elasticity back to it, brings a little life to your jerky. Trust me, this is a very important step. It makes all the difference. It makes such a fantastic piece of meat. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.